Hey guys, I'm back again with another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrift and Famous. Today, we are thrifting small town. There was a business that was moving and they were closing up this shop here, so I popped in to see what I could find. So come on and let's take a look around and walk this store with me. I like the little spindles on the side, little dots there. You know, you just never know what you will find here in these small towns or when something's going out of business. So you just kind of want to just pop in and see. There's so many little hidden gems in this store. I made my way around twice in this store because I didn't want to miss anything, and I'm glad I did because what I left with, I was very pleased with my purchase. Okay, I'm going to cut it, but I'm going to show you what I did buy. I bought this little stool, which I fell in love with. I thought it was going to be for my granddaughter. However, I found this wooden bowl as well. And both these items cost me $2. And I figured I'd just marry them together for a nice little plant stand. So I gave it a quick coat of black chalk spray paint. I like the matte finish on it, so I wanted to give the stool just a basic black flat look. And then this is the bowl. I polished it all up, gave it a nice shine with some lemon oil, and look how beautiful the wood is shining on here. I absolutely love this bowl. So I added a few little pom-pom fringe, and this is what I have now, my little boho plant stand. I like how it blends in with all my other plants in this room. This is like my little boho space that I have, and my plants just love this room. They love the light. So I think this was perfect for my little $2 and then small town thrifting purchase. Just consider me a happy girl with my purchase. So again, I hope you enjoyed this little thriftscapade that I took you on, and you were inspired to also thrift your house into a home. Thank you for tuning in and joining me today on another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrift and Famous here at Viva La Vintage for your home. And if you like this, please, by all means, click that like button, give it a thumbs up, drop me a comment, and also share. And I'll see you again in my next video. Stay tuned. Happy hunting while you thrift your house into a home.